Asante Kotoko.
Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. Welcome back, guys, to Daily Kotoko. Today we'll talk about Asante Kotoko CAF Champions League squad. This is the reported squad. This is not the official squad. Asante Kotoko released the official squad very soon. So now in goalkeeper we have Felix Annan, who is here to join the training after the Black Stars exited from the Africa Cup of Nations. Then we have Kwame Ba, who came on a free transfer. The Ghana under 23 player came on a free transfer. Then we have Tanlad Ibrahim, Osei Kwame, and Muntari Tago are out. Defenders, we have Amos Frimpong, who reports said he wanted to leave, then he changed his mind and came back. He has been included in the squad. Then we have Augustine Sefa, we have Wahab Adams, we have Abdul Ghani, we have Ajiman Badu, and we have new signing Apem Da Costa and left back Bright Encho. Bright Encho was brought to replace Dakwa after Dakwa decided to leave the club. And midfielders, we have Justice Blay, who is on loan from Mediama as a replacement for Senano, who is currently injured. We have Kwame Bonsu, we have Kwame Boyne, we have Emmanuel Jimfi, we have Kelvin Andor, a very talented winger. We have Cuthbert Asiama, another talented player and a new player. We have Anodidi and Mamadou Kuyate. These two players are yet to be announced by Asante Kotoko, but reports have stated that they are included in the squad for the CAF Champions League. Then lastly, we have Maxwell Bako. Then for the strikers position, we have Sonny Yakuba, Abdul Fattah, Adingra Musa, the new signing, Zumana Traore. Zumana Traore is also yet to be announced by Asante Kotoko officially. We have George Abege, who Asante Kotoko signed from Kariobangi Sharks, and we have Richard Arthur. There have been reports that Richard Arthur is having issues with international transfer contract issues, but he has been included in the CAF Champions League squad. Now, you must be wondering about other players. We also have players on standby in case of injury or in case of anything. We have Nabi Keita on standby. We have Jordan Opoku on standby. We have Evans Owusu on standby. We have Steven Nyako on standby. Any player you don't see in this list, it's probably that they are included in the 10 players that will leave the club. We also know the coach. I'm still trying to pronounce the name of the new coach, Jetil Zakariasin. I don't know how to pronounce it. But that's all for now. In the next video, I'm going to post the tactics and the style of play of the new coach, Jetil Zak. And I hope you guys subscribe and like, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of the videos. Till next time, guys, goodbye.